Hey, MotorHot579, welcome back to the channel. Today I got an unboxing of a new seat for my Beta 200. This is from Guts. It's a complete seat. I got the lowered seat and with the softer foam. So let's take a look, see what I got in the box. I already sliced it open. We have lots of bubble wrap. Let me take the time to please ask you to subscribe to the channel. I'm a heart transplant patient. I have a lot of bills left over from surgeries and stuff. I'm trying to get monetized on YouTube, so it doesn't cost you anything, just to subscribe. If you like the videos, go ahead and like them. If you don't like them, don't like them. But if you could subscribe, I'd appreciate that. Okay, so there it is. That's what I ordered. Supposed to be blue with black, and they said this was the color that is the same as the Beta color. So let's take it out of the bag. Oh, definitely a nice looking seat. This was the complete seat. It's like $304 online. I don't know how, but I got a coupon and it brought it down to like $250, which was ridiculous. I was like crazy. Maybe even less than that, 240 something. But I wasn't sure about the black and the blue, but I think it looks pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and we'll pull the seat off the Beta and we'll take a look at that and compare them. Okay, so here's the two seats. This is the Guts low seat. This is the original seat off my Beta 200, 2025 race edition. How it looks from the side. As you can see, it definitely is a lot lower. Color's pretty close. I wouldn't say it's exact. They said the Yamaha blue is the same as the Beta. I don't think it's quite the same, to be honest, but it's a decent seat. Feels nice and soft compared to the hardness of the other seat. As far as the hard to do this with one hand, but as far as the lowness, we're looking at on the original seat almost 3 inches, 2 and 3, 5, 7, 7/8, 3 and 7/8, as opposed to 1 3/4 on this. So a little more than 1 inch of difference there. Let's see how it fits on the bike. I'm just going to turn you here. Let's take a look. We can. How that's going to fit. So. There it is on the bike. Looks pretty good. Okay, so it's kind of tough filming by yourself. You either got to use a tripod or hold on to the camera. So keep that in mind. I'm still learning about this stuff as well. But put the low seat on there. I'm going to get on the bike and I'm pretty sure But on the original seat, I mean, I could barely touch the ground. I don't know if you can see that, but I can almost get flat-footed on this bike now, just with that alone. I really don't want to lower the bike. I like the clearance, I like the ride. I've always had big bikes growing up, and never even heard of a lowering kit. You know, I grew up in the 70s and 80s riding, so I always rode bikes that were bigger than mine, bigger than me. But this seat makes it a little bit more comfortable, you know, a little bit more feasible for me. So yeah. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, man. I could really use some help. Trying to get, excuse me, trying to get monetized. I know you don't make a ton of money on videos unless you get really huge, and probably won't. But another thing me and my wife just picked up was the CF Moto side by side.